Now, today we are going to check your snoring ability. The snoring is not always performed by one single part of the throat, but snoring can be produced by the pharynx and by the velum palatinum. So we try to find out which is the major cause for your snoring. So first of all, I would like to ask you to snore voluntarily. Open your mouth, please, and try to produce snoring noises. I am going to show you. Very loud, as loud as you can. Okay. So now please be so kind to close your mouth and put this device, the vacuum activator. Some people can snore with a closed mouth. If you activate the device, as you know, can be done by swallowing. Now I will ask you to swallow after activating this device. Please activate the device and snore as loud as you can. Okay, you hear the difference? So please take it out. What we can observe is that at first the voluntary snoring was produced by the open mouth and by the velum palatinum. And the second stage, we observed a pharyngeal snoring. Pharyngeal snoring means that even if the velum palatinum is fixed, that there is a heavy noise to be heard. Now, please put the device again and protrude your jaw and activate it. It's difficult to do. Okay? And try. We open your mouth again. I just want to explain you. The last part is to protrude your mandible as much as possible and do the maneuver which you know at the same time, and then try to snore as loud as possible. Maneuver and snoring. Okay, stop please. Take it out. Okay, you heard the difference. At first, snoring through the mouth was loud, but you also have a type of pharyngeal snoring could be reduced significantly by using the device and the protrusion. So the combination of both device activation and protrusion in your case will alter the mode of snoring and as well will reduce the intensity of snoring.
Okay.
So I'm going to check this again, but with the help of an endoscope. Just a moment. Okay, it's the proof that there is a typical reaction of your snoring ability under different conditions. So we can observe that protruding your mandible and activating the vacuum activator reduces significantly the mode of your snoring.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. So I'm going to try that again. I want to feel it again. Okay.
Please breathe through your nose normally, very deep, and try to snore. difficult, huh? Okay, open your mouth, please, and try to snore now. What's the difference?
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference? So,
With mouth closed or open?
yes, please, open mouth. Yeah, I say that the best condition to snore is with open mouth.
Right.
Okay, but but you also have a possibility to snore with closed mouth. So we can state that there is a pharyngeal problem also. So for you, we need to stop snoring. Two things. First of all, to place the tongue in the correct position to close the mouth. This is the uplock maneuver. And secondly, the protrusion of the mandible. So I would like to show this again with an endoscope. With an endoscope, I can observe the mode of action of the velum palatinum, and this is quite easy to be done. The same way like you placed the vacuum activator, I will ask you to do it again, and then I just check the position of the velum palatinum and the patency of the airway. So please place it again. Okay, activate the vacuum activator. So you may keep it to your correct position, and the only thing I have to do is to introduce the endoscope here and into your nose, nothing else. Please open your eyes. It's a tiny little endoscope. Please activate the activator and try to snore. Breathe deeply. Okay, and open your mouth, please. You heard that the pressure has been dropped. And now, please shut your mouth again. Please close your mouth and protrude the mandible and try to snore again. Okay, so what we can observe is a different reaction of the lateral walls, and the velum palatinum is still stable at the anterior part of the pharynx. Okay, please open your mouth and take the device out. That's it. Thank you. Please put your mandible forward, and mandible back, and
Bite your teeth
bite your
together.
Yes, and mandible forward and back. Bite your teeth. Mandible forward and back. So forward and back. Forward and back your teeth, please. Okay, now put the vacuum activator. Okay, please put negative pressure and breathe. And breathe.
Nice, working.
Yeah. You see? So,
More than advancement, almost, or at least like.
So, and
amazing.
during, breathe deeply. Okay, very good. And open your mouth. And please activate it. And breathe deeply. Activation. So. And put your mandible forward. Mandible forward. It's difficult to do, eh? And activate again. No, put the splint, please. No. Try to snore. Again. Okay. And make the uplock maneuver.
What is an upload
With
one?
the,
This one?
No, with
Ah.
your tongue.
Please.
Swallow and keep your tongue up.
Swallow. It is. Could you please put this device before? Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. So be so kind to make to activate the negative pressure and breathe. Could you?
So at least we have one very good image.
This is the position.
I will share you all my
No, but
videos.
if
But
I
tell us if we
interfere.
are on your way, because it's very important to have this image.
Mhm.
And breathe quietly. Breathe quietly. Okay. It depends on the position, of the scope. Now how the airway can be observed.
Can she try to snore
Okay.
with the splints and
It's
Okay.
vibrating.
Okay. Okay. Try to snore again. Last one. And open. Please open your mouth. And clap your teeth. That's impossible. Okay, I know. And take it out, please. Okay. So we can compare it now. Yes. This is the position when you're clapping the teeth
It's
No.
neutral.
in a narrow situation. And
What if she tries to snore with the mouth open? Is different?
yes, maybe. Please open.
Yeah, it's more close.
Yeah.
It's closing
And,
completely.
and the closure is more complete. So this is when comparing the device and the open situation, there is a difference, but it is not a 0-1 situation, but a gradual.
And doctor, if she was lying back,
Of
would
course.
it be different?
Of course,
You want me to
course.
move the chair back?
The chair cannot be moved.
Oh, okay.
I would like to do it, but unfortunately this chair is has,
Vertical position.
yes. So this is important to have the vertical check. And now
Horizontal chair.
the horizontal check. That's right. Now we could move to another chair,
Oh,
but okay.
yeah.
It's a
Yes,
little
we can.
You've had
It's
enough?
it's not